Hello children. Today we are going to learn about interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun and indefinite pronoun. Let us start with interrogative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. A list of interrogative pronouns, their usages and examples are given here on the screen. Learn them. Anyhow, which, what, who, whom, whoever, etc. are some interrogative pronouns. We can see these interrogative pronouns in sentences. For example, what's your name? Whom did you tell about that? What do you say? Who said that? What's your favorite color? Here, what, whom, who, etc. are examples of interrogative pronoun. Now, we can see distributive pronoun. Pronouns which refer to persons or things one at a time are called distributive pronoun. They are each, either and neither. For example, each of the boys got a prize. Either of the boxes will do. Neither of the two countries could establish good relationship. Here, each, either, neither are examples of distributive pronouns. Now, we will go through the next topic, indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a person or a thing without being specific. The most common indefinite pronouns are all, any, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, one, none, some, somebody, someone, nobody, etc. Examples, look at the screen. I have eaten everything in the fridge. Here, everything is the indefinite pronoun because it is not making any specific thing there. I have nothing for breakfast. Nothing is indefinite pronoun. I need to find something. Something is the indefinite pronoun. Anything would be okay. Everyone attended the meeting, etc. are further examples of indefinite pronoun. You try to find out such pronouns and write and make sentences and learn. When you practice, you can know more about them. Anyhow, I wind up the topic here. You practice the activities given in your grammar book. We can again meet in the next class. Thank you.